What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing analysis on HYLN stock. First of all, brief information about this company. HYLN Holdings Corporation missions is to reduce the carbon intensity and greenhouse gas emissions of Class 8 commercial trucks by being a leading provider of electrified powertrain solutions. Leveraging advanced software algorithms and data analysis capabilities, HYLN offers fleets an easy, efficient system to decrease fuel and operation expenses while seamlessly integrating with their existing fleet operation. Headquartered in Austin, Texas, HYLN designs, develops and sells electrified powertrain solutions that are designed to be installed on most major Class 8 commercial trucks with the goal of transforming the commercial transportation industry's environmental impact at scale. And here's how it works. Basically, they use existing truck, it is reduced cost as well, and they put instead of a huge engine, a small generator with the engine on a natural gas. This generator charges these batteries and then electric motor drives the drivetrain. And basically it's very good idea to make this type of enhancement because they can change the modules when it will be developed. As you can see, here is key bullets about this system, and it says outperforms a diesel truck to 60 miles per hour, fully loaded at 80,000 pounds. Machine learning continuously optimized power output. Using up to 100% RNG, Hypertruck ERX electric power generation is up to 35% less expensive than diesel on a miles per diesel equivalent gallon of fuel. Hypertruck ERX can be refueled as quickly as diesel truck and can achieve comparable ranges as well, even when fully loaded at 80,000 pounds. Hypertruck ERX offers the greatest payload capacity when factoring in the increased gross vehicle weight allotments for natural gas commercial vehicles or the reduced engine weight. Fleets can haul more freight, not battery weight, enabling return on investment. And in my opinion, it is very promising concept of making these hybrids, but you might ask why did they have this huge decline in price of more than 80%? And here is the answer. We are on Investor Place, and this article was published on April the 5th, and it's titled "Why the Speculative Story with HYLN Stock May Be Too High Risk Today." And here is the main concern, that in prior investor presentations, the company touted expectations of 30 sales in 2020, totaling $1 million. Additionally, expectations were that 2021 would see 300 sales, totaling $8 million. Little in the way of progress has been made on this front. Accordingly, investors appear to be more impatient than ever. Now the company is aiming for a 2021 commercial launch. No specific date for when deliveries will take place has been provided thus far. This provides the perfect breeding ground for speculations to place their bets. However, previous delays appear to be resulting in some bearish bets right now. And basically, as you can see, they have 0 sales on Q4 2020 and on year-end 2020, and they have a net loss of $39.2 million. So they're burning money, but they have money. Cash and cash equivalents of 390 million as of year-end. Short and long-term investment of 238 million. By the way, we are on their PowerPoint presentation. And because of this delay of sales, we have this negative impact on the price. But why this company attracts my attention? And here is why. On April the 7th, we have this news on their website that HYLN forms a Hypertruck Innovation Council to advance electrification solutions for commercial transportation industry. And here is 3 main bullets. New collaboration includes fleet and technology leaders, Agility Logistics, American Natural Gas, Anheuser-Busch, Green Path Logistics, NFI, Penske Truck Leasing, Ruan Transportation Management System, Ryder System Incorporation, Schneider, WeGames Food Markets, and Werner Enterprises. And let me remind you that this company has 1000 pre-orders systems, and this company has 100 pre-ordered systems. And here is the next bullet. Conseil members will be the first to operate the Hypertruck ERX, providing direct feedback to actively advance the powertrain's path to commercialization. Collaboration will aim to help drive sustainable practices in the commercial truck industry. And let me quote Thomas Healy, founder and CEO of HYLN. And he said, "Our customers are at the core of our business. Their feedback and collaboration are crucial to the success of our hybrid solution, which has already logged millions of real-world miles. That's why we have brought together the Hypertruck Innovation Council, a group of commercial transportation industry leaders who will be the first to test and review demonstration units for the Hypertruck ERX and whose feedback will be essential as we improve upon our technology. The council will also help us to ensure that the unique and diverse needs of today's fleets continue to be reflected in our products as HYLN develops the next generation of industry-leading, environmentally conscious technology and powertrain solutions." And in my opinion, it is very positive news. Keep in mind that they already have 80% decline, and that's why I think it's quite interesting company to at least put it in your watch list. And here is institutional investors of this company, and as you can see, we have one closed position, and here we have mixed feelings because these companies, they cautiously increase their position with this company. And let me show you the sentiment across the list. Basically, you can see that in some periods they have green lines and some periods are completely red right here. And basically, it's very usual for this type of innovative high-tech company that we have this fluctuation and this rapidly changing sentiment. And before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, in this case you won't miss my next video, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So, as you can see, here we have two clear waves, and basically it should be three impulsive waves, but we have only two. That's why we have failed impulse. And right here at the beginning of October, at the 1st of October, this company becomes public by reverse merger, and since then we have this huge decline. And in my opinion, this is the best example of the principle: buy the rumors, sell the news. Here we have the news that merger was completed, and we have decline. And basically this weird structure is nothing else that this type of Elliott triple combo wave. And what does it mean? It means that we have a correction, and this was the first correction right here. Let me show it to you. This was the first correction, and then we have attempt to go to the upside, but this wave failed, and we have even lower retracement, lower than this previous point. And we have a next attempt with huge volume, and this attempt also failed because we retrace more than 100% than initial wave. Right here we have a huge support, as you can see, and we broke this support, and that's why this wave became failed wave. And for now we have Z wave, and this is the last wave of this entire correction. And as you can see, it lasts about 7 months from the beginning of September to beginning of April. And that's why, in my opinion, this level is quite interesting for you as potential investors in this company. What are the upsides of this company? Basically, they have a great technology, and they already have more than 2 million miles that was made by their systems. And they have a good intention. They create this conceal, and that's why I think they are on the right path to make this company successful. But we have a downside. Of course, we have a downside, and the downside is that we don't have any sales for now. We have only intention of sales, and this intention lasts for about 2 years, from 2020 to 2021, and for now we are for now it's April of 2021, and they still don't have any sales. That's why you have to be extremely cautious, and basically you can add your position right here because this company is still interesting. They have good financials from the standpoint where they are now. They have enough money, more than $390 million. And that's why I think it might be very interesting company in your investment portfolio with a huge upside potential of about 400% to these previous all-time highs. And in my opinion, it might be exceeded easily, but in the course of a couple of years. So with that being said, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. See you guys and girls next time. Bye.